Hello my people, I agree the full house also na dey fine. My people, everywhere don red, everywhere don scatter. Princess Obaname don come out for that princess Odojunoje, something like that, wey dey for Facebook. Una know say e do one video one certain time wey that the other Esan man control mat go where e not supposed to go. Una remember the video when the woman come out, come even dey defend that one wey throw mat go where e not supposed to go. When late Dr. Oguname come out say he talk many things about that boy wey throw mat. My people, the thing don get as e be. So Princess Obaname don come out. You don see the video where the other princess, because two of them are princess. You don see the video where the princess of Esan do. If I say Esan, now no say na the other woman. You don see the video where it talk many things about late Dr. Oguname. So she come and say if really say wetin that woman talk for that video, me I never see the video, more than no vex my people. He say if really wetin that woman talk for that video, because many people dey talk say the princess dey happy say Dr. Oguname e don late, say as she take talk for that video be like say she do something. Na so many people dey talk since wey this thing happen. So na Princess Obaname come out now say if really wetin he talk for that video na true, he say this table wey break, so he say e go be between she and princess wey the princess of Esan. He say go be two of them battle. My people, the thing no be small thing. I go put the video, this one wey Princess Obaname do, more na lis ten to wetin she talk, because she come send message go give that princess Ogojo, I no know as e take call am, Odojunoame or something like that. The other princess wey dey for Esan land. So she can send this message go give her. My brothers and sisters, sometimes e good make we dey use our mouth take dey talk better thing, because you no know wetin you go tell person, something really go come happen. Now you be the first suspect wey don say e do that thing. Now know say many people for social media dey too dey brag wetin dem no be, they go say na im dem be. When small thing wey no reach anything, dem go say make dem touch am. I know say people dey test people, when dem go test and dem go say no be you be, I think say you na so you just be. So this our mouth, e good make we dey agwesimiene, we go dey draw am. I no wan make I talk this thing, make something no come happen. Na you na be the first person wey dem call say because na you talk this thing, so make you come answer your query. My people, may I put the video, more na lis ten to wetin Princess Obaname talk, the message wey send go give the other princess of Esan, wetin she talk. Mona abeg, mona help me share am. God go bless una. I really appreciate una well. One love my people, na bye bye.
Me no go be wa Princess Obaname. Ethiopia, 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 no ya me la dia mo be na. O me vidokpa. O wa ka tie 4 days ago abi. O we o me vidokpa no kokpa o. We don't dare. How we don't dare can video ni. Madam Esan. On a make work last week, I be last 2 weeks. Ne me so na take a laws. You be yan. Ebo waro kakabo. O work we are if tell me okpa. That where the no man okbiani ta. That where or less or larger do imia. Runda we emi no ma keke no ni uno do we ni. O ye no paladian do agun do afinu ye ke no ma keke. Ha. O ye no paladian do agun. O wa gogo ye we only funeral ye ke no ma keke. Runda e no padunu wa sunu sueni ye ni ige me nota erie na hin or less or larger no do imia. Agboya we petu ge den meso waro e owo dan yin e na gin eri e do wo na eni ugu kan ugu different things eyan so tan We are don't go take punya high who the guy wait down afia nyagbe. Uda ni tana. Adobo mi ewu we de ga wo piana. Ige omemi no kio, ige ere na kio. We no yata we video ni madam we san. Uwe to the down ege who save u do de ga we ememi no je. Uda ni tana. When egbo na ta. We no omani gi delete na. Emi no magi no na. Imaka we no, ima got away. Uda we emi ugo ga mi wa gbona. Zawa woman mehi o egbo ba menuvi no vi oba egbo ba kere. O vi oba ehi egbo ba ekere. Ma egbo won ebo or strike. Oba no we mi oja, no we mi agwa ebo strike. Ya dege generation na iya ma oji ni ari na emi no keke. Ebo ma fi ekegbedo. The ghost of our land, our ancestors, is still existing. Or man not take a step back in time. On a where Emina yena baku, Emina okeke ni yehu. They are still waiting. You understand him now? The eyes of the ghost is still around. When you wake up where Eliana Hede Nahi, Madam Viesan not tell me. I never look your matter. This thing when you do so, if na your hand like this thing be, you just the ghost is against you. Even the ghost where did that land of the Asian, it dey against you. Because when that person talk something, you say that person talk, he carry mouth go somewhere. Make the person come for you, come apologize. So now he make this one way be say he do so, come make her come they talk with he not supposed to talk. Then you tell her say you give her how many days? 7 days. I be they listening to the video. That map when you draw, Obana may go draw and follow. Obana may go draw and follow you. Go draw and follow. Cause waiting you do, they know they do like that. If that true, now your hand this thing be, they know they do like that, madam. You understand? The ghost of our land, our ancestors, is still existing. You understand? It's still existing. To take somebody out of this world does not make sense. 2 weeks ago, I've been 1 week ago, Egwan Kamana. Eke no man na we me or baleg. The message not take a loss in Obinya. You let the ghost to do something. You can't say because of someone said something. Emini, he provoke you. Then for some bad thing to happen to somebody, that is the only way to adjust it. Huh? I'm from royal family. The ghost of our land, our ancestors is still existing. Even though some people are making a big mistake that they could not draw attention or something like that, that does not mean the ghost does not exist. It's still living, still existing. Our forefather is still existing. Madam Viesan, even though you even check, say this person they joke, they do like this, not be like this. When we all see this social media, many people are full of stories. They create the event, they say things they are not. Huh? Since you fish check that person heart, say, now this kind of person like this, you go live on. You go live on. Huh? You go live on. That person when he talk something when he say he hurt your feelings, he make you go apologize to some person or something like that. He did what he's not supposed to do. You talk what you weren't supposed to talk. That this one can't come out, can't they talk what you not supposed to talk. You understand? It's like they just give her courage, make it do, or maybe because he hear say that guy talk something like that, then he want constantly come and come talk. Huh? That one don't already talk how you want to go. Now he use a man to talk on. Huh? Why with someone like that, this generation, you people don't respect the elders? It is only the gods that strike. We know they keep person. And from royal family, we know they keep person. Of your band, of your bike, your waist, we know they keep person and gods, then they strike. Do you understand? When you do something you don't supposed to do. See, that woman, what till you do, they say me they open the book for your own side, what till you do so. the ghost wey dey your place, e go even dey angry with you. Yes, so if na true, this map when you draw so, me Obaname, I go draw and follow you. Because you may be mistake if na really true. The way I take all these videos, I talk am. If I check, na true, madam, even the ghost wey dey your Asian land, e go dey against you. You understand? E go dey against you. You make one comment, you check, the person dey black, e no be wetin e be, and you know, and you know, and you know. You just feel say to do something like that, na it be the right thing. Somebody talk wetin not supposed to talk for your side. You dey wait make that one come apologize. You understand? Okay, somebody from your side come talk wetin not supposed to talk. No dem I made the video na yenu eni kabokmanya in your person. No dem. On one time 4 days ago. Now okay kid na wa tell me again. No dem. No dem. A week ago, I be 2 weeks ago, everyone can when the rest of them take a loss inside their hands. It's not good. They are forgetting that the God supposed to do his work. It will not balek na women na women. Man, no when you are all ye ba ya ri unu ye all ya ri ebe oven all ye. A week ago, I be 2 weeks ago. Even though some people don't believe say the God is still existing, because maybe their enemy is too blind to see. Let me put it in this way. You understand? Even there, when somebody me no keke, it does not mean where you know you need kawe bokbanya in or mama no ge. Madam, it's a woman. If not so, madam. See, when they open the book, if you, waiting you do, if not so, see the ghost way dey your land, it don't already dey against you. Go mark my word. You understand? Go mark my word. They know they do like this. When they know say waiting don't come out, it don't come out. If not true, if they hear my comment, if not true, the worst part of it, you say you check, you look the person. Many people they black, all of them they black, they'll just sit down. Now so they messenger. Now so they send them. Now so they be this. Now so the people see the way they talk. They just maybe that is the way they express their feelings. Who really know who he be? Go just they watch, they laugh. Mostly when you see through, they say this one just they make noise. This one just they talk. You go just waka live on. Huh? You say you check and you look. Madam Aisha woman. Wetin you do so if not true, I never look your hand for inside. But if not true, the gods where they in Shaland, it go turn against you. The gods where they this Benin land, it go turn against you. They know they do like that. You just made the bigger mistake. They know they do like that. Like say you not check. You say you look. Too much story, different story for social media. This one go act, this one go do like, this one go do like, this one go see vision, this one go prophesy, this one go do this one. Many things where people they talk, some of them not they even they mean that. You not go say person talk something, maybe say person just come out. What does that identify you or make you? A evil somebody or a good person? That map when you draw, madam, as you draw that map, if I check, I go draw and follow you. Now you find trouble. Like say you not just check who this person be. Like say you not just know who this person be. Whether he dey black o, he not dey black o, you say you check. Huh? You see the mistake, you say you check, say the person not there like this, not there like this. The God's eyes is still in this Benin kingdom. Of your band from royal family. Of your band, of your bike, we know they keep person. Now the God's night they strike. That person where he talk, waiting he talk when he provoke you. You supposed to know. You understand? Who really gets sense? Who really they normal? Who really they do well? Who really know waiting be the right thing to do? That person, you're not supposed to talk something like that. Okay, because of that, this one can't come mat. It can't the throw mat. They go where you're not supposed to throw mat go. Not them, I mean video now. Even the line, and I didn't want stock. By your me when networking, I'm well to in our way new. Huh? Okpe, nini we mudia. Yesterday I see this. 4 days ago, person talk am. You know, again I lere when my phone na ya boku. 4 days ago, person talk am. I be 3 days ago. Madam is a woman. See, no land where the gods not there. Even though this generation they don't respect tradition. The gods is still living, still existing. It's still there. The ghost of our land, our ancestors is there. You understand? When the gods will start to deal with all of them from the root, that will not mean say if the gods strike them, you don't need to respect the dead. You be the good one among all. No, not the people where be say that they do wetin they're not supposed to do. Madam woman, Asian woman, you say you give this person 7 days. Nah, I never check. I never look into your matter. Now yesterday, between me and the ghost, yesterday, now I take my eye to see your video. Why me the verse for waiting you do? You say you take your time to check this person. You check the matter. You look am. You see and say the person they black. Nothing. When we all know for this social media, all of them are full of stories. This one go come, this one go talk, this one go talk, this one go talk. As if it be say, as this thing can't happen now, na it be say, na it be the better thing. Okay, that one way it talk say it provoke where you come from. It talk what you supposed not to talk for your Asian. The person when you talk. Okay, now it make this one can't talk what you not supposed to talk. If they say me they open the book, madam, not be everybody be bad person. Yo. Blood not they enter my hand. The gods are wise. All those kind of one that they do, the gods don't see them. See, one they behave well. Anybody will create war. Something they grow for under war, something they grow for under war, something they grow for war. Since 2016, you understand me? One they behave well. Because all those things, anybody will not do well. Now so the gods will continue to distract them from the root. Because enough is enough. For real. Nobody, the one that they behave, nobody they respect tradition anymore. So they regard their elders. Look, waiting you talk, say you do Madam Asian woman. When it come out, come talk. You talk like that in public. How you want make somebody give respect to the ghost? And the worst part of it, Madam Asian woman, you say you check this person that like this, not like this. Not in there, they black. When we all know for this social media, many people they come and they talk, they give name, they black. You see person through us say this person be like this. Why will you? Huh? In fact, not to jump into conclusion. A week ago, I be 2 weeks ago, 10 days. Now I talk and say, no good make person they take laws for their hands. If person do something abomination, atrocity, or something that I don't supposed to do in the land. You understand me? Policean 2 weeks ago, I be 10 days ago. You understand me? Because the ghost is still existing, Madam Asian woman. Our forefather, the ghost of Billy Kingdom, is still existing. You understand? And you make a big mistake whereby your own ghost go turn against you. And the ghost of our land go even turn against you. Why? You say you look this person. You check him. You wear him. You see and say nothing there. Nothing there. Like say you don't know. That one another thing. That one when he talk, waiting he talk, he vex you. Whereby person where be say he correct, he day, he know sense, he know something, he know say not the hot person feeling. Maybe person know the talk too much. You understand? Who really know himself? Not go feel the talk waiting not supposed to talk. We all know that. Can you use anger to replace anger? Okay, now this thing, now if not true say na your side, how you want to bring them come? And there wahala dey Madam Asian woman. Sometimes it go make person they reason, they think for this world. When you don't carry blood, I don't see any power there. You understand? Make her go look. If not so, now through this side, you know good. Even your own ghost will turn against you. I tell you, as you drop that map, Papa may go draw with you. They know they do like that. The ghost of our Benin kingdom, our ancestors, our forefather, is still existing. It's only those who are blind to see, who their enemy is blind to see, that cannot know, that cannot see. Or those who have do something that the gods is angry with, they cannot know, they cannot see. It's still existing. The eyes of the gods is still existing. Mother Aisha woman, if not so, wetin you do, e no good. E no good at all. E no good.